Hey friends, it's Sergey, creator of Singing Carrots. Today I'm gonna show you how you can use your own melodies or even songs to practice those in our pitch training. To use that feature, you will need Pro Access, and when you open pitch training and it loads, you will see those melodies that we're talking about under this My Melodies page. So, how does that work? To practice your own song or melody, you will need to have it in MIDI. So you will need a MIDI file containing that melody, that sequence of notes, and then you can upload that MIDI file to our website by clicking here. Well, now you can create the MIDI file any way you want. You can write a score and then export it as MIDI, or you can use any other program. We advise using MuseScore because it's free open source software for that purpose. But if you are not really familiar with writing scores, or if you don't even know how this music notation works, I'll show you an easy way to find a song in the internet, already existing MIDI, and then modify it a little bit to your needs and upload it to the website. So we will go for an example exercise, and I'll show how to do that with MuseScore. So let's imagine that you would like to sing a song by Beatles. Let's say Hey Jude, something popular. So first thing you'll do, you'll just go to Google and you'll just say Hey Jude by Beatles, and you want to find a MIDI file containing that song. So let's see. So that website has some version, and you see there is a MIDI file of Hey Jude, so it might work for us. We download this MIDI file, we save it on our computer, and now we use that MuseScore software that I talked about. So here's the link to their website. You can download this program from here. It's free. It works on Mac and on PC. And once you have it, you just go, you find that file that you've downloaded, and you just open it with MuseScore. Great. Now you can see that you have a bunch of tracks playing instruments and the voice. So what you would like to do, you would like to remove all the instruments and keep only the vocal track within the file. So then you can actually export that and upload it to our website for practice. Vocals are already marked as a separate track. And to get only vocals, you just have to click apply here. That's it. You have a line with vocals. You go and you say file export. You make sure that you export the MIDI, and you say, okay, that's vocals only of that song with only one track. Now, when you have that file, you can come back to singingcarrots.com, say that, okay, this is Hey Jude, and that's the file that you want, and you upload it. So you can see that it appeared here, and it's supposed to be ready to practice. Let's try. We enable the mic, and we try. That way, you can get any song, any melody, any exercise, upload it to our website, and practice singing it. Good luck.